Today, we'll be installing MaxLite's CCT selectable, controls ready, square, PathMax Slim Bollard. Let's begin. We'll start by removing the luminaire shaft, head, and accessories from the carton. Be sure to inspect each component for damage before proceeding. After preparing the installation site, use the bolt carrier to determine placement of the anchor bolts in the concrete. Be sure to check that the concrete base is suitable for the bollard load. You'll want to have at least 1.5 to 2 inches protruding from the concrete, with the threads free of any dirt and debris. Next, we need to open the bottom of the bollard shaft using an Allen wrench. Now, after placing the base over the anchor bolts, we'll begin tightening it down with the included nuts. During this step, the bollard shaft should be laying down next to the base. Check to make sure the wires are still properly connected after completing this step. You'll also want to add foam or silicone at the bottom of the base to help prevent water damage. Now we'll slide the bollard shaft over the base and secure it in place using the screws we removed earlier in the installation. At this point in the installation, it's time to select which CCT we'd like to use. Before connecting the head, simply use the switch to select the desired CCT. Next, we'll attach the bollard head to the shaft. This is easily accomplished by connecting orange to orange and green to green. Place the head over the shaft and secure it in place with your Allen wrench. We'll finish up by installing one of MaxLite's CMAX basic control nodes. Start by removing the USB-C receptacle cover and silicone plug. Next, simply plug in the node and lock it in place with your Allen wrench. And that's how we install the square PathMax Slim Bollard. The installation process is similar for the round PathMax Slim Bollards. The main difference here is the round bollards use 3 anchor bolts instead of 4. Let's quickly go through what that looks like. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the link in the video description to learn more about the PathMax Slim Bollard fixtures.